an 8-inch I-beam frame, this massive toolbox, a 17K scissor hoist, Tuff Sides, and more standard on our new DJX I-beam Low Pro dump trailer. Hi, my name is Kendall Cornelson, and behind me is our DJX I-beam Low Pro dump trailer in both a bumper pull and a gooseneck configuration. The bumper pull comes standard with a 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler, a single spring-loaded drop leg 10K jack, and this massive toolbox with the hydraulic components and batteries split off in the rear with a divider to allow for lots of additional storage. The gooseneck version comes standard also with a 2 5/16 inch coupler and 2 spring-loaded drop leg jacks, and also a large toolbox for storage, as well as a standard spare tire and wheel. The main frame on this trailer is an 8-inch I-beam that runs from the front coupler to the rear hinge point of the trailer, and the bed frame is a 4-inch channel with 3-inch channel cross members spaced on 12-inch centers rather than the standard 16-inch centers for a better floor support. To lift the bed of this trailer, it has a 17K hydraulic scissor lift hoist that is powered by a KTI hydraulic power up and power down pump. This trailer comes standard with 2 7K Dexter electric brake axles and can be upgraded to hydraulic disc brakes, 8K or 3 7K brake axles. To make sure the wiring stays protected for years to come, we put most of the sealed wiring harness inside of a tube rather than hanging off clips like on many other companies' trailers. This trailer also comes standard with our Tuff Sides, which feature a large heavy-duty 3-inch cap at the top of the sides, which is the point of the sides likely to get hit the most during loading the trailer. This trailer comes standard with 2-foot tall sides and can be upgraded to 3-foot and even 4-foot tall sides. It also comes standard with our easy-to-use pullback tarp system and 7-foot rear slide-in ramps that make this trailer ready to go to work. And for more information on the DJX Dump trailer, please go to our website at maxxtrailers.com.